Okay, good morning. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to print just a part of an Excel document, an Excel spreadsheet. So maybe you don't want to print this entire screen, this entire spreadsheet. You can select just a portion. So whatever I select, so what I'll do is I'll click and I'll drag to select what I want to print. And then I'll push Control P for print if I'm on a PC, and Command P for print if I'm on a Mac. That will open up this, which by default will try to print multiple pages, depending on how big it is. But if I just want to print what I selected, I click Selection. And then I change it to just be that. And down here where it says Active Sheets, I want to choose Selection as well. And that way it will only print what I've selected. So let me show you an example of where this isn't happening. Okay, let's take this, copy it, and delete it. Let's paste it right here. Come on. Hold on. Okay, so now when I go to print, Command P, you'll see it's trying to print all of that because that's the entire page. Plus it's trying to go on to the next page. I can deselect this and then it will only print that page. But I want to print even less. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select, instead of Active Sheets, Selection. Okay, nothing's selected right now. So that's why you don't see anything. So cancel, select just this or whatever you want to print. Command P or Control P, depending on if you're on Mac or PC. Change this to Selection. Change this to Selection. And you'll see it's just printing this region right here because that's all I've selected. If I went in and I selected less, say I just select this, Command P, choose Selection right here, you'll see it's just printing that. So that is how you print just a selection or just a part of a document on Excel. Then I would just click Print and it will print just what I've selected. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And please check out the other tutorials on Microsoft Excel that I've created and subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.